Hello students, now we have completed the 11th week of this MOOC course on solid and hazardous waste management. In 11th week we studied a total of 4 modules. First module of this week was on solid waste management rules 2016. In this module we studied the main provisions or main technologies, as well as we studied about the application of these rules. We also try to understand the differences in these rules and the previous rules. You know, previous solid waste management rules were called as municipality waste management and handling rules. In previous rules only the municipalities were covered, but in these rules all area of the country is covered. Second module was on hazardous waste management. In that module we studied about the management of the hazardous waste, and we studied legal framework in the country related to the hazardous waste management and their transboundary movement. Third module of this week was on plastic waste management rules. In this module we studied the application of these rules. We studied other rules also which were given before 2016, and in these rules we have found that now the thickness of plastic carry bags has been increased to 50 micron, and we understand one thing now, that it is not possible to completely ban the plastics, because yet we do not have a alternate of plastics. So, in these rules emphasis has been given on the minimization of the plastic waste, as well as we discussed 2 to 3 court cases and we saw their judgment also. The fourth module of this week was on the e-waste management rules 2016. In this module we learnt about some important definitions. In these rules emphasis has been given on the responsibilities, and then we learnt the responsibilities of different stakeholders in detail. I hope you enjoyed these all modules. Thank you.